The Shree Jagannath temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu, in Puri in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple and begun by King Anantavarman Chodaganga Deva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Ratha Yatra, or chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. These gave their name to the English term Jagannath. Unlike the stone and metal icons found in most Hindu temples, the image of Jagannath is made of wood and is ceremoniously replaced every 12 or 19 years by an exact replica. It is one of the Char Dham. The temple is sacred to all Hindus and especially in those of the Vaishnava traditions. Many great saints, such as Ramananda and Ramanuja, were closely associated with the temple. Ramanuja established the Emir Mutt near the temple in the Govardhan Mutt, which is the seat of one of the four Shankaracharyas. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.